In this video, we're going to have a look at how to plot a dead reckoning and an estimated position. To start with, we need a position confirmation. In other words, we need to know where we are on the chart. And we can do this with a number of methods. We have radar, a 3-point radar fix, or a radar range and bearing, 3-point fix using the hand bearing compass. We've got a GPS latitude and longitude, depth contour line, visual confirmation using a known landmark, voyage, transit, and a running fix. We'd have to use the depth and the transit quite possibly together. To start things off, we need to know roughly where we are. And to do this, we need to know two things. We need to know the course steered and the distance travelled. This forms the basis of our dead reckoning. In this example, we put a logbook entry in at 0900. Our log reading was 10.2. Our course steered 051 degrees magnetic. At 10 o'clock, our log reading was 15 and our course 051 magnetic, which means between 0900 and 1000 hours, we have travelled on a course of 051 magnetic 4.8 miles. We can plot this directly on the chart. So there's our position fix, log 10.2. And 1 hour later, this is our dead reckoning position. Now, we could be anywhere in that red circle. This is what we call a circle of uncertainty. This is purely based on our vessel's heading and our vessel's speed. We then need to take into account a number of... Once we plot our dead reckoning, there's a number of other factors we need to take into consideration when thinking about our estimated position and the accuracy of what we've plotted. The first one being compass error. Did we apply variation correctly? Did we apply deviation correctly? What's the sea state? What's the leeway? What's the accuracy of our course that has been steered? Is there a log error? Has the log been over-reading or under-reading? And then the main difference between a dead reckoning and an estimated position, from what we can plot on the chart, is tide. So how accurate was our tidal prediction? To convert what we've previously done on a chart as a dead reckoning into an estimated position, we're going to now plot the tide. We're going to plot the tide from the end of our dead reckoning position. The tide vector has 3 arrows on it, and at the end, this is where our estimated position will be. We can see there's quite a significant difference between our dead reckoning at 11:45 and our estimated position at 11:45. This is due to 3 knots of tide, almost on the beam. So whilst we've been driving, our course over the ground has actually been pushed off quite a lot to port. Still got a small area of uncertainty around our estimated position, but that's to be expected. It's in the name estimated.